In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change x-axis values in Microsoft Excel. When working with charts in Excel, the horizontal axis, also known as the x-axis, represents the categories or labels used to organize the data in the chart. Sometimes the default values may not display the labels you want, especially if the chart was created quickly or the data source has been updated. Adjusting the x-axis values allows you to present your data more clearly and ensure the chart reflects the correct information. To begin, open the Excel workbook that contains the chart you want to modify. Click directly on the chart to activate it. Once the chart is selected, right-click anywhere on the chart area and choose Select Data from the menu that appears. This will open the Select Data Source window, where you can manage the data used in your chart. Inside the Select Data Source window, look for the section labeled Horizontal Category Axis Labels. This section controls the values that appear along the x-axis of the chart. Click the Edit button located next to this section. A new dialog box will appear asking you to specify the range of cells that should be used for the x-axis labels. Now return to your worksheet and select the cells that contain the labels you want to use for the x-axis. These cells typically represent categories such as dates, product names, or other descriptive labels. After selecting the desired range, press Enter or click OK to confirm the selection. You will then return to the Select Data Source window, where the updated range will now appear in the Horizontal Category Axis Labels field. Click OK again to apply the change and close the window. As soon as the window closes, the chart will update automatically and the x-axis will display the new labels you selected. Changing the x-axis values is a simple way to improve the clarity and accuracy of your charts. It ensures that the categories displayed in the chart match the data you want to present, making the chart easier for viewers to understand. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell